She's Alli.
He's Pete.
This is Zsiga. This is Narrowboat Soulmates. More to explore. Right, well there we are, taking off from Hack Green and heading on to Audlem, the Audlem flight. So let's give it a go, shall we? Yeah, there's all those Canadian geese, and there's lots of youngs as well, young ones. Look at those. Saw them land, couldn't get it on a photograph unfortunately, but it was fantastic seeing them all land together like 633 squadron. Sounds like there's some shooting going on over there, either clay pigeon or otherwise. Bit too often to be otherwise, I think. But yeah, plenty of shooting. Even the sun's trying to peep out today. We're just taking our time up to Audlem. Well, there we are, coming up to Bridge 84. And the sun is definitely peeping out. I haven't been in Australia for the last 10 plus years. I definitely might have to crack open the old Factor 50. Keep those sunburn under control. Just look at the wall. And we'll look over the other side. We're going good. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Now being attacked by some wasps makes steering a little bit more difficult. All manner of creatures out today, now the sun's come out. Alright, let's ramp you up a little bit now, shall we? There we go. Sun's shining on me, I better get that hat out. Definitely, I've got a new hat as well. Couldn't bring my ones over from Australia because I couldn't fit them in the case without them getting absolutely squashed, and it would have been like wearing a flat piece of cardboard. So I better try and dig one of the new ones out. Hopefully I won't have to wear a beanie now the weather's improving slightly. We'll see. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful Cheshire countryside. Crops coming on good. All that rain. Just need the sun presumably over the next couple of months. Ziggy on the lookout for cows. Yeah, he's never seen cows until the last couple of weeks. So he's definitely having a good look when he spots them, especially if they're the same colour as him. Lovely picnic spot here. You can actually moor up, have your barbie at the Cool Palati leisure area. Favourite with many people. And you can stay for your 48 hours there, max. Alli keeping an eye down the front, make sure I do everything right. Don't zigzag across the canal, which you tend to do when you're trying to video as well. We've got a couple of bridges in line of sight now, and I think there's one in the middle which has been removed. So we've got bridge 83, and then presumably the next one would have been 84, the next one 85. Not sure, can't remember from our previous cruise up this when we were doing our training last year. Big shout out to Linda and Mark at Cheshire Cat Narrowboats, their training. Definitely recommend it. If you've never been on a narrowboat before, well, I think it's wise, especially if you're going to buy your own, to get some proper training. Well, there's no disapproving looks from the stern, sorry, the bow, so I presume that one was not very close. Yes, definitely one of our bridges is missing. This one's been taken off. Presume it was there for either railway or probably the farmer to get his herd across from one side of the canal to the other. Oh, this looks a lovely, tranquil spot. Bridge 82. Yeah. And here we are, coming up to Overwater Marina, Bridge 80, and I think we need to top up the fuel probably while we can. I don't think we're particularly short, but best keep a full tank as we can for our cruising. Oh, there goes a bumblebee. Here we go. Yes, well, heading over the water marina. Just topped up with diesel, filled it up. Now, just filling up the water tank. I think we're down to a quarter, so better get that done. Yes, beautiful rolling hills there. You can see where the water's flooded everything over the last few days. Absolutely. Oh, a heron on the horizon, Alli. Yeah, we've got plenty of diesel, plenty of water, so we should be alright. Here we go. The sky looks a little bit foreboding. There he goes. As soon as you get anywhere near, that's the usual thing. Fly on a little bit. Beautiful birds though. Yes, beautiful little lake there, or pond, I'm not sure how you differentiate, but yeah, look at those rolling hills. Lovely spot along here though to moor up. Well, here we go. Into the first of the Audlem flight of locks, and this one's ready to be entered. The boat's just gone down, so hopefully we can take advantage of that. Quite a lot of leakage, Alli tells me. Yeah, look at those lock gates. They're certainly pouring some water out. Let's have a look, see what we can do. Got a little bit of a bywash either side here. Taking it nice and slowly. Here comes the Zsiga to have a look. Yeah, you coming up, Zeke? Come on then, sit down. Yeah, I am concentrating. Middle name's concentration. Stay there, Zeke.
Yeah, put him back down.
I'm gonna go down, go in your bed. That's a good boy. Go on, in your bed. In your bed. Oh, it's so exciting, isn't it? Is it so? Yeah, so here we are. Number 1 or 15, depending which way you go. The Audlem locks. Alli working the locks well. Just going to have a quick look to see what the mooring is here. Probably 48 hours. Set of ladders out of use for the moment. Hopefully the front ones are still going strong.
So that's 48 hours and there's rings.
Yeah.
If you go through the next block, that's the Shopify and the village. So for me it looks quieter than normal, but it could be busy on the other side because it's near the village.
Yeah.
So do you want to park up here in 48 hours or for now? and I can go ahead and look. Or
Suppose so. Yeah, grab a spot.
Just hold your boat, see just past the bollards.
Yeah.
Find that boat, you know, but maybe if you just wait and I'll walk ahead, I'll take a walk behind you.
Well, this is certainly driverless potty at Audlem. The key which we've used numerous times on the other facilities to open up the door. Doesn't seem to work. Ziggy's a bit bamboozled by that, aren't you, Zig? Eh? But definitely driverless potty. We are in Audlem. Let's have a good look round, shall we? Bit peckish for some lunch, I reckon.
Do we got another co-op too?
I don't know.
Get some?
You want? Yes, so here we are, Audlem. Got some lovely little shops and 3 great pubs. Can't go wrong with that, can you? A few non-drinkers. There's a church you can go to, beautiful old church. We'll be taking refuge later on in one of these pubs, just not sure which one.
Is that the buttermilk?
Always good to see the Union Jack out. And there's 4 of them there. Beautiful old building down there. For all you cyclists, there's a great cycling shop here, Audlem Cycle Sport. And we're just having lunch, a bit late, 3:30, but thought we'd better get through the locks and empty the loo and all that sort of stuff out of the way. Here we are, a lovely place called Farm Made Tea Rooms. And Ziggy's here. Zig, what's this? Yeah, you're waiting for that extra treat, aren't you? Yeah, don't worry, in a minute you can have it. If you're a good boy. Yeah, beautiful old town. Audlem. There's the post office. And there's the majestic church again. Oh, the post office is shut. This is what happened. Yeah, that's what happened across the country. Lots of them shutting, and not all roads lead to the church. Of course, any visit to Audlem wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Stroppy Fly. Sample some real ale. Next day we decided to go to the Middlewich Folk and Boat Festival, which was about half an hour drive away. I think so. Well, here we are at Middlewich Festival. It's Alli and Zsiga. There, a few people turned up. It's early days. Just opened after the march. And we got the bands appearing later, including Shawaddy Waddy. Who'd have thought, eh? Yeah, here we are. And we've got Merlin's microbrewery in with some fantastic beers. Ali's weighing up the dark magic. But yeah, anything with a bit of hops in, a lot of hops even better. Yeah. More stones next to the canal. And here we are in Loch 74. Well, there's one of the traditional boats, Fellas Morton Clayton. And that's the old classic Lister engine. Yeah, look at that. Baked on board. Got the old pizza oven. Fantastic. Alli's quite partial to a pizza. Maybe see. Well, here we are. This is booze. Yeah, get your booze direct from the barge. Fair old supply there of different ones. You even get your hot chocolate on a Magnum. I think I might go that way and have a beer later. Well, here it is. The rain's setting at the minute. Absolute nightmare for all these traders. When's it ever going to stop, eh?
Wow.
Terrible. Yeah. Well, what a shame for all these folk who've turned out to sell their wares and this weather turns up. Absolute nightmare. How can you plan these things, eh? You just got to go on and do as much as you can. Get all your stuff ready as much as you can, and then, you know what happens. Well, thanks for tuning in to our cruise from Hungary to Audlem, and also having a look round Audlem and the Middlewich Fab Festival. If you'd like to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. If you like the video, please click the like button, and also the bell if you want to know when